Are you the type looking for a very good bar soap to whiten the skin or to lighten the skin for you? Or do you have dark spots on your skin? You have acne on your skin, or you have sunburn on your skin, or you have uneven tone and you need a very good lightening soap to brighten your skin or to glow your skin. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on Kojic Gluta Papaya Arbutin 7 days whitening soap. This soap is a very good soap for people who wants to be extra fairer, or people with uneven tone and they want to achieve even tone skin. Okay, or do you have dryness on your skin, or you are the type who want to exfoliate your skin but you don't want to use a body scrub but you need a very good soap? Then trust me, I recommend this soap, Kojic White Gluta Papaya Arbutin 7 days white. This soap is very good for people who wants to be extra fairer. And this is also another soap from Thailand. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what this soap is. I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that is used to formulate this Kojic soap, and I'll also share with you guys who should use this soap because it's not recommended for everybody. Okay, I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin and how you are supposed to use it very well to achieve that whitening or that lightening skin tone that you want, and also the side effect of not using this soap very well. Kojic Gluta Papaya Arbutin soap is one of the best lightening soap I can recommend for everybody. There are some people, they want to exfoliate their skin but they don't want to use a body scrub. Trust me, this is one of the best soap you can use to exfoliate the skin. But then if you want to be extra fairer or you want to whiten up by using this soap, you need to be patient and use it consistently. Okay, you can use this soap with any nice lightening cream, or you can use this soap with any good brightening lotion or oil. Okay, this soap is good for normal skin people. This soap is good for dry skin people. It's not recommended for an oily skin person or a sensitive skin person. It's made with carrots, it's made with pawpaw, it's made with vitamin C, it's made with Kojic acid, it's made with glutathione, and it's made with a bit of hydroquinone. Okay, and the roles it plays on the skin is that it's lighting the skin when you use it consistently. Another good thing about this soap is that it's whitening the skin. Okay, it brings out your natural glow. It works on uneven tone. It clears dark spots on the skin or the face. It clears acne on the face, and it makes the skin very firm. It makes the skin very smooth, and it exfoliates the skin. It removes dirt on the skin, and it's not recommended for everybody. If you are a dark skin person and you want to tone your skin with this soap, please know the quantity of using it or know how to use it, because if you are a dark skin person and you use it anyhow, you end up having dark knuckles, you end up having dark feet, dark toe, or even stretch marks on the skin. Okay, because if like some of the ingredients that are used to formulate the soap, they react on the skin. So if you are a dark skin person, make sure you use it with wisdom. Don't use it anyhow. Be critical careful when using this soap. Okay, and if you are a caramel skin person and you want to use this soap to achieve a fairer skin tone, please use it consistently, but then don't use it and expose the skin under the sun. Okay, use it with a very nice lotion or a very nice oil or a cream. Okay, don't use this soap with a lotion or a cream that involves hydroquinone. Okay, use it with a very mild lotion or cream. Okay, and if you are a fair skin person and you want to be extra fairer, please make sure you use this soap consistently. Grab the whole package, use it consistently. When you are done using it, you need to grab it again and use it with a very good product, a very good lotion, or a very good oil, or a moisturizer. And please don't expose the skin under the sun when you are using this soap. It's very good for whitening the skin if you use it with wisdom. It helps you to achieve a very nice skin tone, or it brings out your natural glow. Okay, the side effect I've noticed about this soap is that it irritates the skin, it itches the skin, and it end up leaving white dots on the skin if you don't use it well, or if you are a sensitive skin person. It's made with vitamin E and C, or vitamin C and E. It's made with Glutathione plus. It's made with a Kojic Acid extract. As I said it earlier on, it's made with vitamin C. It's made with pawpaw. It's made with a carrot extract as well. It smells so nice. This is how the soap is. I don't know if you can see it very well. This is how it is. Kojic Gluta Papaya Arbutin. Please, I would like to open it for us to see how it is in the box. It's been sealed very well. Thailand, they know how to package their soaps very well. So when you take it off from the box, this is how the soap is. And lovers, I've not even opened it yet, but it smells so nice. It smells so nice. This is how it is. And this is the original one. Okay, when you take it out from the box, some side of the soap is white and some side of the soap has a yellowish color or a gold color. And Kojic white soap is written on it, I think with their logo on it. It smells so nice. It clears spots on the skin. It nourishes the skin. It makes the skin firm. It makes the skin very smooth. It makes the skin very soft. If you want to lighten your face by using this soap, please don't use the soap direct on your face. There are people with sensitive face. So if you use it direct on the face, you might feel a bit of burns on the face. So as I always say, use it on a face towel or a cotton face towel, add water to it and use it on your face. But then make sure you use it consistently, okay? It helps the skin to whiten up. If you want to whiten your skin, just use this soap with a very nice oil, okay, or a very nice lotion, and you should use it morning and evening. You can add water to it and apply it all over the skin, or you can even use it in your palm, add water to it and apply it on your skin for 15 minutes to 20 minutes before bathing. Okay, it glows the skin, it lightens the skin, it whitens the skin, it brightens the skin, it removes dirt on the skin, and it also exfoliates the skin. If you have ever used this soap before, please leave your review under the video, okay? Or you can share your testimony with us or with me, the good side and then the bad side. Beautiful people, make sure, or I plead with you, to kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. And please, if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and I really appreciate you so much. See you in my next video, and do have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.